If you've lost access to your Discord account and cannot receive verification codes, follow these steps to attempt recover. This guide will help you navigate the process. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord website or open the app and navigate to the login page. Enter your email and password to attempt to log in. Step 2. Click on Forgot Your Password. If you can't log in, click on the Forgot Your Password link. This will prompt you to enter your email address associated with your account. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Discord with instructions to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Use account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sr.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your recovery request, wait for Discord support team to respond. They may ask for additional information to verify your identity before restoring access to your account. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Discord account. Remember to keep your account information secure to prevent future issues.